स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. The petitioner has filed this application under Section 7 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, 2016, hereinafter referred to as IB Code (bracket out). Read with Rule 4 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy in bracket Application to Adjudicating Authority (bracket out) Rules, 2016 for brevity. Adjudicating Authority Rules, 2016 for initiation of corporate insolvency process against the corporate debtor SAIL SCL Kerala Limited, a joint venture with SAIL and Government of Kerala. Stop. The prayer made is to admit the application to initiate the corporate insolvency resolution process against the corporate debtor, declare moratorium and appoint interim resolution professional. Stop para. Part 1st of the application sets out the details of the financial creditor from which it is evident that the financial creditor has PAN. Stop. As per Part 2nd of the application, the corporate debtor is a limited company with corporate identification number having registered office at Steel Nagar, PB number 42, PO Calicut, Kerala 673655. Stop. As per Part 3rd of the application, the financial creditor has proposed the name of one Mr. Anish Agarwal, registration number IBBI 001, as the interim resolution professional. Stop para. Part 4th of the application signifies the amount of debt to the tune of rupees 1 crore as on 30/6/2022. Stop. Part 5th of the application describes the particulars of financial debt documents, records and evidence of default as described below, It is stated in the petition that the financial creditor sanctioned open cash credit loan facility of rupees 4 crore and a term loan facility of rupees 45 crore on 25/6/2013, and the terms of sanction were duly communicated to the corporate debtor. Stop. The said credit facility was secured by execution of the following security documents jointly by the corporate debtor and its directors/guarantors. Stop para. Pro note for rupees 4 crore executed on 18/7/2013 by the corporate debtor in favor of financial creditor, wherein they had agreed to repay the loan amount advanced with interest with a minimum at 11% per annum on monthly rests. Stop. Deed of hypothecation dated 18/7/2013 for rupees 37 lakhs executed by the corporate debtor, thereby hypothecated the assets to secure the said term loan facility. Stop para. Common hypothecation agreement dated 18/7/2013 executed by the corporate debtor, by which it was agreed to repay the total sum of rupees 4,000 lakh with interest. Stop. It was also agreed that in case of any default committed in making the regular repayments, bank can charge additional interest also. Stop. The corporate debtor had agreed to the other terms and conditions specified in the agreement. Stop para. Title docs Patta 622 and Patta 640 were deposited with the financial creditor in order to secure the aforesaid facilities on 7/7/2013. Stop. Letter evidencing deposit of title deed dated 18/7/2013 thereby confirmed creation of EM of the said property in order to secure the aforesaid credit facility. Stop. The financial creditor enhanced the open cash credit loan facility of rupees 4 crore to rupees 10 crore, and the terms of sanction were duly communicated to the corporate debtor stop. Towards securing the limit, the corporate debtor executed following additional loan documents. Stop para. Pro note for rupees 5 crore executed on 3/12/2013 by the corporate debtor in favor of financial creditor, wherein they had agreed to repay the loan amount advanced with interest with a minimum at 11% per annum on monthly rests. Stop.
तो दोस्तों ये डिक्टेशन आज की हो गई है, और जिस किसी को भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चाहिए हैं ऑडियो और पीडीएफ के साथ, वो पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप मैसेज कर सकता है। अबाउट सेक्शन में जाकर यूट्यूब के अबाउट सेक्शन में नंबर दिया हुआ है, आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो और आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट बताकर आप डिक्टेशंस और पीडीएफ ले सकते हो। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।